Good morning, it's 7, and this little fluffy's awake already. Sometimes he likes to sleep in here next to me, or he'll sleep there in his crib. I usually just put this body pillow here so that he doesn't roll over, but once he's awake, it's action time, right? Let me get up, get ready for the day. Tiny, tiny, tiny. So this little sippy cup. Are you done drinking water? I literally have never seen a kid like water this much, but this is a good thing. I love water too. Up. And you see his little chair? It's nice. You can either put it on the floor or you can attach it to dining chairs. Like you honestly don't even need a high chair. It's really nice. It's very portable as well too. So sitting in that, I'm gonna give him some food. You don't want your water anymore? Okay, that's fine. Before, but I don't know if he likes it. Let's see if he'll eat that one. Eat it, num 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 num. You didn't even try it. No 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 no. He said no no no. Here, try it. Sometimes they're crazy. Oh, you don't like it? You want it? No? Okay. Not feeling the blueberries this morning. Okay. Let's see. You want some Cheerios? Okay, so I give him a little bit of Cheerios, but I want him to eat something a little bit more legit. I usually use Cheerios like as a snack. I know people obviously eat cereal in the morning. I like it too. But I want to give him something else to eat, so just give him a few of those. He did not like the blueberries, so I don't know how to waste those. But up here, I just got a huge container of these baby food purees, and these are nice on the go, but honestly, sometimes he doesn't want to really eat stuff. He just wants to eat the food that we're eating, but not everything he can really eat if it's like too crunchy or whatever. So I usually give him one of these, and he likes it. He usually can have it by himself. And there's different ones. There's banana, blueberry, oatmeal, sweet potato and apple, apple, mango, and spinach, carrot, and apple. And I usually put one of these in his bag too. It's nice because it's like they can literally, let's see which one this one is. Oh, this is a nice one for the morning because he doesn't really like his oatmeal anymore that I have. So I just give him one of these, and you can get them really at any grocery store. I usually get like the organic ones. I don't remember. These ones are not bad either. Pretty natural, but yeah, he really likes these. So I usually have one on the go, and then also one for breakfast if he doesn't want to eat anything else. So, but yeah, I realized with vlogging, I haven't like vlogged in forever, so I'm so used to the camera not being on me. I'm usually just like focusing on other stuff. But yeah, this one's really good. You want some na na na? He saw it already. Yeah, for you. Mama opens it. Let's open it for you. Yeah, good job. It's yummy. Yeah, he loves just this. You'll get it. And so if your kid's a little bit picky and wants something a little bit different, give them this, because at least here they're getting their fruits, getting some oatmeal, you know, some nice grains and everything that they need. So I've been doing this. Obviously he eats like real food with us, like if I give him sweet potatoes, whatever, but this is just nice if they're being a little bit more picky, and they like it because it's like they can hold it themselves. So why are you so like his eyebrows like so, you don't need to worry about this. I gotta eat something too, but I'm gonna feed him first. I think he was done with that. He didn't finish all of it, but most of it, so I'm just gonna leave the rest in the fridge. Just has his water. This is a really nice sippy cup, especially once they start getting teeth, so it's stuck on a bottle. And it's cool because it's spill proof, and you literally just bite on the side here. I literally tested it. I was like, how does this even work? You literally bite on the side here, and then you just drink from it, and the water comes out. So it's really nice, and especially for the teething ones too, they'll like it because they can bite on there. But whoop. Okay, you want to get out now? Go play with your toys? Mama can eat? Yeah? You need more water? What? You done? This is the age. So this is my breakfast. It's have turkey bacon, the eggs with the tomatoes, spinach, arugula, and cheese. And then I love these little like pickled cucumber things and apples with peanut butter. I always crave something sweet, so this is a nice alternative to someone that wants something a little bit healthier. And I'm using the Smucker's Natural. Before I literally finished this entire thing. This is the Justin's peanut butter, but since it has palm oil, I thought like it's not really a good thing to use. So I found this one, which also has really clean ingredients as well too. It's literally just peanuts and salt. It's kind of annoying how much oil it has at the top of it. So if I can find one that's not like that, that'd be nice. I mean, that's like natural or whatever, but a little bit super creamy. So if I can find one with less oils, that'd be nice. But this one's really good too. But yeah, that's my breakfast. And while Adam's jamming over there to his songs, I'm gonna have my water first and then, you know, make my way around my meal over here. So I cleaned up a little bit here. I put away some of the dirty dishes and then I washed them by hand. Cleaned over here, and then we have some coffee. We usually like make a pot and then we'll put the leftovers in the fridge so you can kind of make your own iced coffee. And cleaned over here too, which is nice, just to move his bottle and cup. And yeah, I love like cleaning on Sundays. It's really nice, relaxing. So I'm gonna have some iced coffee and then we're gonna go to Target. So I'm getting this one dressed again. This is the Cat and Jack brand from Target. It comes with these matching little overall things. It's so cute. And this is actually my spot dog that I got when I used to work at the Target Starbucks. This was like rewarded for me for being a good barista. So I still have that. Now it's Adam's little toy. So I'm getting him dressed and I'm dressed myself now. Just wearing the shirt that I got when I was in Kosovo with some simple skinny jeans. And we're gonna go to Target, but he pooped again, so I have to change his diaper once again. This is the third time already this morning, so I'm gonna do that. Finally left the house, so there's those two back there. I guess I'm the designated driver. Eating some num-nums. Okay, time to go. Adam, hey. Hello, you woke up in Target. Wearing your Target outfit too. Hey. This is so cute. See the little elephant thing over here? The sassy creature over here. Adam. Hey. Oh, this is cute over here. Little babies over here. Yeah. At Walmart now. Car stuff and I don't know, electronics.
Arcade, yeah.
Yeah, it's true. Adam found a little seat over here. Hi. See you later. Bye. We found a little baby. We ate some food, had some pizza. Now just chilling. Whoa. Where's Adam? Where are you? I see you. I see you. Mom's cooking dinner. Nuggets, why are you trying to talk to Mama? Come here. Look, you want milk? Time is it right now? 6 o'clock. Made some chicken tikka. It's an easy one. Just comes from the jar here from Aldi's. And some rice. That's it. Adam, how are you doing? Just woke up from your nap. Do you want to go on the swing? Do you need your diaper changed? You want to do it? What? Okay, so it's like 7:20 right now, p.m. and I'm just gonna be putting away some laundry. I have some laundry over there to put away. It's the end of the day, and probably won't really doing any more filming or anything really that exciting, except for maybe watching some TV, maybe some Netflix. I don't know. There's some new stuff on there I want to check out. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. I will be making more. Adam is almost 1 year old. I hope that I can edit this and post it before he turns 1, so I can focus on his birthday party and stuff. But yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure to subscribe and then follow me on Instagram as well. So talk to you guys soon. Bye.